So this summer, what I learned at the JGI is how to really work in a government lab. And I find this really valuable because in this time that I've been in my PhD program, I've been really in focus with academia. And so this was the first time I was introduced into what a government lab and what this future could look like.
I think this internship is going to help me in the future because it just showed me when people have a goal and passion for it, it's possible to do amazing things. And it made me explore every single possibility. And also specifically, it sparked my interest in bioinformatics. So that's what I'm going to take with me to the future.
I didn't grow up with computers, and it seems like my younger counterparts are a little bit stronger in computing. So I was kind of worried coming into the internship that maybe I didn't have as good of skills as somebody else might have, but Bob was super helpful, and I just have so much more confidence, and I can say that I am an app developer, and that's amazing.
I think this internship affects my future as looking at Sean and Feng when they're doing their internship, it really made me think about do I really want to do a PhD in the future? And it made me confirm that I might want to do maybe a graduate degree, then maybe think about doing a PhD or not in the future.
Yeah, so for me, previously I don't know how to communicate with team members. So previously I think I may keep doing research, but now I think I can lead a team. So maybe I go to industry field and lead a research team. I think that's maybe one possibility.
Yeah, I think the main thing for me is, since I want to go into industry a lot sooner, is having the experience coding with a team and working with everybody is a really invaluable experience.
My biggest concern before I started my internship was whether I had enough experience to make really good contributions to the project. Also, my area of expertise over the past couple of years is a little bit different from what I did during the summer. But ultimately, I think that my skills were very complementary to the project, and I learned a lot, and I'm going to take a lot away from it.
Yeah, the most exciting thing I learned at JGI is how to work with a scientist and how to make a scientific research poster. And I was able to present at the final symposium at UC Merced.
The biggest concern I had when I started this summer internship was working with big data. But something that I learned from this program was how to use Python from the week-long Python workshop. And I'm excited to take that with me along with other tools that I can use to perform computational biology.
From the internship, I learned to work as a group. During the internship, I was able to have code review sessions with a few people in my team, and we can sit down together and working on the same problem. We can research on the internet and share our findings. And that was really important for me.
Most of the internships I've been a part of were only about the project, but JGI truly invested in me to help me become a better scientist. I think this internship will make me much stronger as a scientist and really help me become the professor and PI I've been aiming to be.
Looking at how this internship affected my future, because I am a math person, I got to see kind of for the first time how people do science on both a macro and micro level, which was really cool for me. It encouraged me to keep looking at the possibility of working at a lab for my career. And of course, I also met a ton of really cool people who do really cool science, and I look forward to keeping them in my network.